Right, good morning YouTube and welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Let's have a look at the Crochet Society blanket. As you can see, I've finished the task. I caught up with the 2 days that I was behind, and I'm up to schedule now. Oh, I think this is the right way around, so you get to see the design. So as you can see, it's we are duplicating what we did on the other side. So the blanket's coming on. And our next bit will be this one here. So we'll see what colour we get to do this bit here. So let's turn you round and open drawer 20. Right, let's see if we can find drawer 20. I can't see for looking. Ah, there it is. There, drawer 20. Oh, that's a nice colour. It's sort of a yellowy green. What do they call it? Rosy apple. Oh, and there's a crochet hook. Oh, isn't that lovely? A 3.5. That's a lovely one, isn't it? Very nice. Can never have too many crochet hooks, especially I do like these ones. They're really nice to work with. So yes, so it's rosy apple, and that's going to be going next to here. So yes, I look forward to doing that. So the plan today is to get that up to get that task done. I also might do the snow globes, but I'll see how I feel. I feel absolutely rubbish. I've taken a test and it's come back negative, so that's fine. I think it's just a cold I've got, head cold. Though my daughter, who doesn't live at home, her husband's just tested positive for COVID, so she's having to isolate, and next 10 days they were going to go to his mum's for Christmas, but they're not now. So but then we might, with the news as it is, maybe we'll all be in lockdown. I do hope not, because we had a very isolated Christmas last year. We don't want it again. But yes, so hopefully I'll get back to you about 6 o'clock, and I'll have some crafts to show you that I might have achieved. Bye for now. Right, I'm back. We're going to have a go at making these snow globes. I'll just turn you around so you can see what I'm talking about. Right, as you can see, I've got them set up. They're nothing's stuck in there, but I've got them set up. I've chosen what's going where. The little ornaments came in a bag from Amazon, and they were $6.99, and you've got 18 little ornaments, and those are the two that I've got left over. The snow was $2.90, and the globes, the 4 smaller globes, were $5.99 each, and then I got 2 bigger globes from Hobbycraft, which were £3 each. The plan is I've got 2 18-month-old grandsons, 2 2.5-year-old granddaughters, and 2 4.5-year-old, a granddaughter and a grandson. So I've gone for they're all plastic, so the kids can bang them and they can't get hurt or anything. So I've gone for these 2 little ones for the 2 little boys who are 18 months. I've gone for these ones for the 2 little girls that are 2.5, and then this one, I've gone for this one for the 4-year-old boy, Ben, and this one I've gone for Sienna, who's 4, but I'm not seeing her until January, February time, so I sort of left the Christmas side of it and just made it snowy, wintry, so that's why I've left the snowman out of that and the Father Christmas out of that. But yeah, so they are at the moment, they're just resting in there, and they just sat on there while I decided what was going where. So I'm now going to super glue the characters down onto the lid, and then what you do is you then fill them with water. You add any extra sprinkles if you want to, I'm not sure yet. You put the snow in, and you put half a teaspoon of glycerine in, and that stops the snow from falling too quickly. It slows it down. and then you screw them up together. Now these ones from Hobbycraft have got sort of like a big rubber seal. Don't know if you can see. Let's have a look. Yeah, you see they've got a big rubber seal. So that will stop the water coming through. Whereas these ones, I've read on some of the reviews that they leak. So what my husband's going to do is he's going to put some silicone around the top edge there. So when I screw it in, that will make it more watertight. So that's the plan. Right, so I've got my super glue. What I do need to make sure is that that's going to fit on there. They've got a pretty central. It doesn't actually say in the instructions how much to put in, so I'm putting one of these I'm putting a heaped one of these. I think it's a teaspoon. I'm going to put that in there and see how that is. And the glycerine hasn't arrived yet, so I'm going to put water in and then I'll add the glycerine later. So. Right, well that doesn't look very good, does it? Because it's just floating at the top. Not impressed with that. Not impressed with that. I don't know why they're not. Sure, they're not meant to stay at the top. Surely they're meant to go down to the bottom. That doesn't make sense, does it? Yeah, it just stays at the top. Right, well, I'm not happy with that. Might have to get some different stuff. That snow obviously is no good for snow globes because it must be made out of plastic and it's just floating. Unless the glycerine makes it float down to the bottom. But at the moment, not happy with that. Right, I'm back. As you can see, the snow globe was a big fail. I'm going to do some more research and I'll get back to you tomorrow about that. But I thought I'd show you what I'd got done so far with the blanket. So I'm up to I'm on schedule. I finished today's task, as you can see. that is what goes with, that matches the same as this. So we've got about this much to do on this side, and then I presume we do all the edging, which is this lovely edging here all the way round. So yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have another go at those snow globes.